Welcome back to Autoscope 2026 Hummer Motorhome. Outside dimensions, this RV is larger than a typical one, but it is proportionately constructed for optimal movement on a variety of surfaces. Wheels and tires, large off-road tires that may have the capability of self-inflating and deflating from inside the cabin. Sturdy alloy wheels with a striking appearance. Lighting and sophisticated LED system illuminates the entire body. Front and rear steel bumpers with integrated high-capacity winches. Integrated solar panels are flexible, high-power solar panels that are neatly mounted on the roof to maximize battery charge while not in use. Automatic folding stairs, sturdy, roomy staircases with safety sensors that fold and retract on their own. Power-adjustable front passenger and driver seats with heating, cooling, and massaging capabilities are located within. Off-road controls, particular levers and buttons to activate the differential lock, suspension system, and off-road driving mode. Kitchen, microwave convection oven, multi-burner induction cooktop, small dishwasher, and full-size refrigerator freezer. High-quality materials that are scratch-resistant and easy to maintain include granite and quartz. Countertops, generous sinks with modern pull-out faucets or double sinks, smart storage, ergonomic cabinets and locked storage drawers that prevent items from moving while being moved. A king or queen size bed comes with a comfortable memory foam mattress. Powertrain, similar to the Hummer EV, it may have a powerful hybrid or all-electric drivetrain, but it would be able to handle all of the motorhome systems thanks to a larger battery and a longer range. Without the need for frequent fueling or replenishing. This RV can go distance between stops thanks to its large battery and backup generator, superior approach, departure, and breakover angles, extremely high ground clearance, and the ability to climb steep hills and cross tiny streams are all examples of off-road capability. Security system, motion sensor, alarm system, digital door lock.